Meeting by James Turrell. An early example of James Turrell's skyspace works is a large rectangular room with white walls and large teak wood benches with backs higher than most viewers' standing height. Except for what is missing, it initially seems fairly ordinary, if somewhat stoic. It is immediately clear that the artist has removed a sizable portion of the roof and ceiling of the structure, exposing a clear view of the sky. The Baroque infatuation with looking up from under to create trompe-l'oeil illusions of the sky found in many European churches has been replaced, quite literally, with a view of the real thing. However, the view from this room is not a direct one. Multicolored LED lights installed along the top edge of the teak bench are computer programmed to synchronize with sunrise and sunset and slowly cycle through a series of saturated hues that interact with the light from the outside. These lights are concealed within the room's architecture. The natural and artificial are combined in the time-based performance, changing not only the walls' glowing colors but also the room's sense of space and structural solidity. The overall goal is to create a private interior space where one can have an elemental encounter with color and light.
And it's kind of learning your craft. It took a while for me to learn to work with light so that you really felt its physical presence.
This world that we have around us is not a world that we receive, but more a world that we create and make. Now this seems a bit of a surprise because we really feel, and we are very much attached to the fact that we are receiving these perceptions as opposed to creating them.
The word meeting is meant to evoke the meeting house and its communal transcendental experience. The piece explores, as Turrell put it, this idea that we make color, something we're quite unaware of, that we give the sky its color, while also conjuring the majesty of nature's primal grandeur. According to art critic Jonathan Jones, the last truly romantic American artist, Turrell offers rhapsodic encounters with nature and the magic of light to the viewer. He demonstrates that artists are still able to view nature in novel ways. Look at the video about light and space movement. If you liked the video, leave us a like and feel free to share it. Subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Art Theory.